Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you day 1 little whale locations in Heartopia. So in this new Call of Whales event, Naughty give you a special quest to find hidden little whales, and over the next 2 weeks, you will need to discover all of the little whales locations scattered around the Whalefall Canyon. And to do this quest, first just go talk to the NPC Naughty on here. He's located on here. This NPC, and then next just talk to him, and then just choose the big whales and little whales like this, and just tap on leave it to me. And then next for the day 1 locations is right next to this window, this one, like this. And then next just take a photo of this light blue splash whale like this. And then next, don't forget to collect today's bonus reward, this special bubble that located on top this red coral, this one. Like this, you will get the light bubble splash whale decorations. It's perfect decorations for your home. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.